Okay, in your Journeys book, if you turn to page 398, we are going to read the second story for this week, and it is called Talk About Smart Animals. And it is an informational text, which means it gives true facts about a topic. So we're going to read Talk About Smart Animals by Donald Logan. You may think only animals in storybooks or movies do things that seem impossible. You would be wrong. Meet Rio and Alex. They are real-life animals. Rio is a sea lion. Alex is a parrot. These animals can do things that most people would never believe animals like them could do. This sea lion can match. Rio is not like any other sea lion. She can solve a simple problem and tell the answer to her trainers. Rio has learned to look at 3 pictures and decide which 2 are most alike. First, Rio's trainers show her one picture. Rio studies it. Then her trainers add 2 more pictures. Rio points her nose at the picture that goes best with the first one she saw. When Rio is right, she gets a tasty treat. Rio is not impatient. She takes her time before she answers. And up in the box there, Rio is deciding which 2 of these pictures are most alike. Not bad for a bird brain. Alex is an African gray parrot. Gray parrots in the wild are often seen gathered together in large groups. In the wild, parrots communicate using bird calls and other sounds. Alex is special because he has learned to talk. He knows over 100 words. Alex's owner has also taught Alex to tell colors apart and to count. Alex can even understand questions and answer them. Sometimes Alex gets tired. He becomes furious and will demand a treat. After a break, he goes right back to solving problems. Want a nut? Okay, so today your activity on Seesaw is going to be to go back and reread Click, Clack, Moo, Cows That Type, and then I want you to think about the letters that the cows wrote to Farmer Brown. And you're going to write your own letter asking a family member for something. I want you to make sure you use commas in your greeting at the beginning of your letter and at your closing at the end of your letter. And if you look on Seesaw in the directions, there's an example of what I mean. Dear Mom, comma. Remember how I told you my feet were cold yesterday? I would really love a new pair of slippers. If I get a new pair of slippers, my feet will no longer be cold. Wouldn't that be great? I hope you consider my request. Sincerely, comma, Sadie. After you write your letter, I want you to reread and make sure you used your correct capitalization and punctuation, and then click the check mark when you are completely done. You may type your letter into Seesaw, or you may write it on a piece of paper and put the picture into Seesaw. Either way is fine with me, but this is the activity that you're doing today. So you're going to be thinking about the letters that Farmer Brown wrote, and you're going to be writing your own letter.